Hello, car lovers. This time we are going to discuss a new car that you may have been waiting for a long time, or maybe even one of your dream cars. So, without further ado, let's see what's new about this car. The 2025 Mini Cooper EV looks to be a major improvement over the car it replaces. It looks better, drives quite a bit farther, and offers a totally revamped interior with fresh technology. There's just one problem. Mini hasn't committed to bringing the all-electric Cooper to the States. At least not yet. Beyond the hardware upgrades, the new Cooper EV is packed with fun design elements that add to what we think is the best-looking car that Mini has made in quite some time. It feels more sophisticated, but maintains the quirky excitement that people love to associate with the brand. Check out the first video to see our favorite detail up close in the taillights. Mini spent even more time revamping the Cooper's interior, including adding a new tech suite. The circular OLED display is a more modern take on the prior car's infotainment system. It includes the basics you'd expect like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but goes further with built-in apps such as Spotify. And with adjustable driver profiles, you can select which information you want displayed at given time, with a surprising degree of customization. The Cooper and related Countryman SUV will debut a new interior design ethos. It's a more simple approach that removes some of the fussiness and incongruous details from the current Minis, and at least to our eye, is a huge step forward. The overall dash layout harkens back to the brand's original models, with a huge single piece of woven fabric that spans the entire width of the interior. Below the aforementioned circular screen is a row of toggle switches to control the climate system and other functions. It's all very functional and easy to figure out, but it's the liveliness inside that really caught our attention. The Cooper we sat in featured a dark gray dash that complemented the white seats well. Even the ambient lighting is unique, projected onto sections of the dash and configurable depending on which mode the car is in. Not having a gauge cluster ahead of the driver might be a deal breaker for some, but the optional head-up display helps remedy that. We'll dig into that further when we get to review the new Mini in full. The all-electric version of the 2025 Mini Cooper will have two trims, E and SE. The entry-level model uses a 40.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack with a single motor on the front axle. It has 184 horsepower and 214 pound-feet of torque, and achieved a range estimate of 189 miles in the European WLTP testing cycle. We're more interested in the SE model and its bigger 54.2 kilowatt-hour battery, 218 horsepower and all-wheel drive. That car scored a 250-mile range estimate in its WLTP test. It's worth noting that our domestic EPA testing regularly returns smaller range estimates, but even these preliminary numbers show improvement. Mini has also boosted the Cooper's charging capabilities, though it's a small step forward. The new Cooper E can accommodate a charging rate up to 75 kilowatts, while the SE and its larger pack can take on 95 kilowatts. Though the max rates are far lower than other EVs, the Cooper's small pack means that you can charge from 10% to 80% in a little under 30 minutes.